Back in the summer of 1915, a group of Madison, Wisconsin threshermen decided they'd had enough. After struggling to purchase workers' compensation insurance for their employees because of the high risk of injury in their jobs, the threshing crews banded together to form their own insurance company, Wisconsin Brotherhood of Threshermen Insurance Company, Limited Mutual. Early on, the fledgling business moved to Fond du Lac, set up shop in the local pool hall, and put a thresherman's daughter in charge of record keeping. Taking the reins, Grace Lewis eventually moved the business from her husband's pool hall to their home and hired her first employee, Ethel Malone. Grace Lewis would go on to lead the organization until 1952. In the 1930s, the grain threshing business was literally losing steam, but the company kept growing larger and stronger, extending workers' compensation coverage to other types of businesses, adding liability insurance, shortening its name, and moving or adding office space as the need arose. America prospered in the 1950s. Technology transformed the workplace, and the shift from rural to city and suburban life gained momentum. Agricultural productivity rose, but at the expense of many small farms, which were once the company's calling card. A prudent and necessary diversification into commercial property and casualty lines was underway.
We set out to provide comprehensive coverage, and we definitely achieved that. So when we focused our attention on restaurants and bars, we worked with business owners and independent agents to build programs from the ground up, taking into account the unique risks of the hospitality industry and developing policies accordingly.
The 1980s brought a series of well-earned endorsements from organizations such as the Wisconsin Restaurant Association and the Tavern League of Wisconsin, who gave the company the nod as the preferred insurance carrier for their many members.
There's no doubt about it. The restaurant business is a risky one. The Wisconsin Restaurant Association's mission is to help members protect their business and find financial success. That's a big responsibility. So having a trusted insurance partner makes it a win-win-win for everyone involved.
Big changes came in the early 1990s. The company settled into a new building on Camelot Drive in Fond du Lac and shed the antiquated Thresherman moniker for a new name, Society Insurance, emphasizing the importance of the carrier-agent policyholder relationship in protecting the livelihoods of community business owners and the safety of their employees.
As an agent, when I get a call from an insured in the middle of the night, I want to be able to say, yes, you're covered for that. Not only have we anticipated that particular risk, the way society handles claims makes it clear they really care about the policyholder's continued success. Society helps me protect my insureds the best way I know how.
I've had Society Insurance for my restaurant from the beginning because I know they understand my business and how it's evolving and how the industry is evolving. I would tell my fellow restaurateurs that with your insurance agent and Society working together, you're going to have the coverage and the support you need for your unique operation.
Firmly committed to its mission as a mutual company to exist for the benefit of its policyholders, Society expanded its coverage to Illinois, Indiana, and Iowa, transforming from a Wisconsin-exclusive company to one of the Midwest's leading business insurers. Over the years, Society has added more and more niche insurance programs to the mix and continued to earn industry endorsements for comprehensive, specialized coverage for the small details that make a big difference to its policyholders' business success.
Through a century of growth and change, Society has stood on mutual ground with agents and the business owners we insure. Our commitment to policyholders has never wavered, and we continue to be organized as a mutual insurance company, owned by our customers. This was a necessity in 1915 and is a point of pride today. We embrace a future focused on continuing to serve policyholders even better, with long-term financial strength through profitable growth and a dedication to the communities where we live and work. I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude to all Society employees, past and present, and on their behalf give heartfelt thanks to our agents and policyholders for a very successful first 100 years. We look forward to the next 100.